All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to do the electrical side of the relay here for Light Show Pi or maybe another type of setup that you want to do. So I'm just using this generic light bulb housing with a little pull string, but I have it already set that this is turned on. So, and I just wired up a little pigtail here to plug it into my extension cord. And obviously, when you're messing with any electricity, you definitely want to be careful because it can definitely hurt you, if not worse. You know, if you don't like messing with it or don't understand it, it might be better to get somebody that does, a licensed professional or a family member or something that understands it, because you have to respect electricity. So, and since we're dealing with 120 volts, you know, you definitely want to take that into consideration. So I have my Pi here that we did in the previous video of how to connect the GPIO pins. And I have my relay already powered up. Now, obviously, I don't have this guy plugged in yet. And this is just a simple LED light bulb. So, when it comes to these relays, let me see if I can get in here a little bit better. Your center pin is your common. Then your left pin is normally open and your right pin is normally closed. So since we want to trigger the relay to close and turn on our light bulb, we'll obviously want to hook this up that it's normally open. So I'm going to run the hot into the common, and I'm going to come out and hook the light bulb up to the normally open pin. So, like I said, we have our normally open, common, and normally closed. NO, common, NC. Now on the solid state relays, they only have two connectors, terminal block, and not a three-way terminal block. So, a lot of people, when it comes to these relays, they'll run a jumper in between the commons, or I guess in between the normally closed, whatever you feel like you want to do. But obviously you want to jumper it with the hot coming from your plug. So we could come out of the common to common, common to common to common to common. So you don't have so many hots coming off your relay. You only have one hot going to your plug, other than running your hots to a terminal block or whatever. This is an easy way to do it. How I did it in my light show setup, I ran them in between each terminal block. And the nice thing about using stranded wire is definitely more workable, but it's not very good when it comes to screwing down on screws. I would definitely recommend either a ring terminal or a fork type terminal and crimp them on, maybe even solder them on, or both, versus just putting them under here, because they will fray and you definitely have to watch. Now, if you're using solid wire, that won't be a problem. And you always want to put your wire under your screw clockwise, because when you tighten it up, it will go with it. If you put it on the other way, it'll obviously fray out really bad. So, with that being said, I have my my hot coming from the wall, then normally open going to my light bulb here. So, let's plug this guy in. I can't use this relay because it doesn't work anymore for some reason. I think it must have fried it or something. So, So now that the light bulb and everything is hot, let's go ahead and back this up a little bit. And let's go ahead and run our script. I just have a little script here just to test these. And I have it on like a 1.1 second delay. And there you go, blinding in the process. So that's how you can wire up your relay. Now, like I said in the beginning, definitely be careful with electricity. This is no laughing matter. It can definitely cause issues. So please be careful and get your lights working. Stay tuned for another one. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe.